Isang masayang pagbati na may ngiti sa aking mga labi. Naghahanap ba kayo ng makakatuwang sa pagre-review ng inyong anak? Meron yan sa DepEd. Ang ETUlay online tutorial ay libre at handog ng ating kagawaran sa pangunguna ng OUA ICTS EdTech. Ito ay isang proyektong makatutulong sa mga mag-aaral, katuwang ang mga magulang o kasama sa kani-kanilang tahanan para masagutan at maunawaan ang mga modules. Hangad din ng programang ETUlay ang matulungan ang ating mga guro sa kanilang mga blended learning classes. Ang ating ETUlay ay mula kinder hanggang senior high school. Bukod sa academics, meron din tayong mga special programs gaya ng All is Wellness, Reading and Math Remediation, Storytelling, Mommy Tech Talks, Classes sa Gramatika, Speech Class, Financial Literacy, at marami pang iba. Pinalawig din ng ETUlay ang ating Alive program para sa mga mag-aaral mula grade 1 hanggang grade 3. Gayun din ay mayroon tayong ALS program at SPED tutorials na makasisigurong makakamit ng lahat ang inclusive education. May SPED hotline na rin para sa inyong mga katanungan patungkol sa special education. Kaya, subaybayan mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, mula 9:00 ng umaga hanggang 7:00 ng gabi ang ating ETUlay. Sa ating pagtutulungan, maiaangat natin ang bawat isa. Ating itutulay ang pagkatuto upang di mapigil ang pag-aaral ng kabataang Pilipino. Itulay natin ito, sulong edukalidad.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Madge. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive, and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our modules, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Alright, it's a happy Monday! Hello, Tutor Jules! At sa lahat ng mga hashtag mahusay na kabataang Pilipino at syempre kasama dyan yung mga teachers po natin, mga kapwa nating guro at mga parents na nanonood ngayon. So great Monday afternoon po sa inyo. So we are now on quarter 2, week number 8. And let me tell you for the last time, yes, yung spiel po natin sa umpisa na oras na para ihanda ang puso at isipan para sa panibagong mundo, panibagong linggo na puno ng amazing na pagkatuto. Dito lamang yan sa ETUlay Level Up. I am Tutor Tony of SDO Quezon City kasama ang aking ELS partner, Tutor Jules.
Hello to our grade 11 and 12 learners, parents, and teachers. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I'm Tutor Jules from Caybiga High School, Caloocan City.
Ayan, so once again po, welcome po sa ating quarter 2 recognition with the theme Learning and Championing Together. So marami pong salamat. Ngayon pala, nagpapasalamat na po aming puso nagagalak ni Tutor Jules sa pagsama po sa amin sa mga nakaraang buwan, no? We're done with quarter 1 and quarter 2, and now we are ready to recognize ang ating mga partner schools, partner teachers, and ang mga laging loyalista natin mga ka-ALS, mga estudyante natin, of course. All right.
And for the attendance, mga anak, don't forget to share our live stream. And type your grade and section, school and location, and don't forget the name of your Earth and Life Science teacher. And please be respectful with your comments. And thank you sa mga nag-like and sumusubaybay po sa aming
Yes.
post dito sa ating FB page, ETUlay ELS with Tutor Tony and Tutor Jules. And congratulations sa last week po, quarter 2, week 7, Evolution Part 2. Congratulations
Yes.
to
Opo.
Sir Robert Luis and Degula of Pinagkawitan Integrated National High School. And for the ELS Students of the Week, Cassandra D. Katap of Pinagkawitan Integrated High School, Lipa City, and Marian G. Oranio of Kaibiga High School, Caloocan City. ELS Student of Week, dun pa rin, Week 7, Mary Grace D. Bejo of Kaibiga High School, Hazel Andy Arroyo of Kaibiga High School, Warren Y. Salunga of Malinta National High School, Senior High School, Valenzuela, Maria Claudette S. Barogan of Malinta National High School, Senior High School. And our mahusay answers of the week. Mahusay Johanna Del Rosario of Jones Rural School under Ma'am Ivy Pfizer Gabehan. And mahusay Ses Ann E. Karagyan, Aurora Senior High School under Sir Leo Angel. And Unica Naomi L. Caperal of Las Piñas City National Senior High School, Doña Josefa Campus. Ito yung bago, sir, na sinasabi ko po sa inyo. Under Ma'am Leilani A. Brisa. And Rosalie S. Pineda of Aurora Senior High School under Sir Leo Angel. And mahusay answer, John Wayne G. Prieto of Jones Rural School, Isabela. And Raven R. Perez of Pinagkawitan Integrated High School, Lipa City. Mahusay answer din sa inyo, Mary Grace Pangilinan of Aurora Senior High School and Fleby J. Domingo of Dinapigan National High School. And
Alright, so maraming salamat po, Tutor Jules. No? Ito yung utang natin, no? Na last sessions pa natin nung I think January pa po ata yun, no? And we would just like to take this opportunity para pasalamatan, salamat sa ating pong mga bosses, ating mga superiors, ang naging dahilan kung bakit meron po tayong gantong programa na ETUlay. So would like to say thank you, Sir Alain Del B. Pasco, the DepEd Undersecretary for Administration. We also have, next po, Director Abraham Y.C. Abanil, Director for ICTS. Siyempre po, maraming salamat sa aming Lodi, Mark Anthony CC, Head ICTS Educational Technology Unit. Siyempre, ELS, salamat din sa ating Lodi pa, no, ng Project Lead ng ETUlay, Sir Mark Anthony F. Hamisal, ang ating shooter Madge. Sir, maraming salamat po.
thank you so much, sir. Love you po.
Yes, and hindi man natin kapiling ngayon kasi nasa webinar, saying our thank you. Maraming salamat, Sir Alvin AC, ang EdTech Specialist at ang kasama namin every Monday ni Tutor Jules, ang aming StreamYard Director. And of course, shout out din sa aming Director right now, si Mami Joy Salazar, ang ating shooter sa ESP. Ayan.
And for the review, via quizzes, guys. ELS Quiz B.
Guide lang
Okay,
natin sila, Tutor Jules, no, kung anong mangyayari sa quizzes natin or sa Quiz B, ELS Quiz B natin this week. Tulad nung ginawa natin ng quarter 1, all you have to do is, ayan po, use any device to open quizzes.com. So quizzes, QUIZIZZ.com or joinmyquiz.com. So pupunta lang kayo mamaya dun sa browser. Pero huwag kayong exit dun sa ano. So kailangan nanonood pa rin kayo. Alright? Click the enter code, sasabihan ni Tutor Jules mamaya. So once you enter the game code, type in your quiz's name. So para mas madali natin ma-identify, ayan na, follow the instructions ha, mga senior high school learners. Type the name of your school, yung acronym lang. Let's say, for example, LGSHS, and then your first name. Alright? And then after doing that, click start para makapagsimula na tayo later on sa ating Quiz B. And shout out, Tutor Jules. Grabe, 200 plus viewers tayo right now. Would you believe that? Grabe, marami pong salamat. And mabilis na infomercial lang, no? So this month of February, we are actually celebrating mga ka-ELS ang our National Arts Month with the theme Sining ng Pag-asa. Ayan. So sana makipag-participate tayo, no? So mamaya, may mga projects, may mga activities na inihanda ang MAPE, mga MAPE tutors natin for this, and we can actually join sa mga contest na inihanda nila. Alright?
280 sa akin sa yun.
Oo, 280, ayan. So sana hanggang mamaya 200 plus yan mga ELS. Ayan, salamat. And right now, simulan na natin ang medyo marami-raming pagko-congratulate na talaga namang deserve ng mga batang ito, ng mga teachers na ito at mga eskwelahan na ito. We would start with the ELS partner schools for quarter 2. Ayan, so we have here a certification or coming from the DepEd ETUlay media team. So naibigay ko na po yung mga partner schools natin for quarter 1. So to follow po itong quarter 2 natin. And let me read the text. It says, Republika ng Pilipinas, Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Services, DepEd Complex, Meralco Avenue, Pasig City. Certificate of Recognition. This certificate is presented to the name of the school as one of the most supported school during the second quarter ETUlay online tutorial for the school year 2021 to 2022, conducted by the Information and Communications Technology Service Educational Technology Unit. Given the 7th day of February 2022 at DepEd Central Office, Meralco Avenue, Pasig City, Philippines, signed Sir Mark Anthony CC, Head ICTS EdTech, signed Abraham YC Abanil, Director for ICTS, and of course, Sir Alain Delby Pascua, the Undersecretary for Administration. And let's get it on, Tutor Jules. Maraming salamat sa aming mga partner schools mula day 1, September 13, I think, nung una tayong sumalang, Tutor Jules. Ayan na, medyo nag-reminisce tayo.
Siyempre, ang aking school, ang Kaibigan High School. Hello mga kaibigans, mga anak, nandyan ba kayo? Nandyan sila, sir.
Ayan.
Okay po.
Caloocan
And
City
next?
NCR. Of course, ang kasama din natin, hindi tayo iniwan mula day 1. Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, Davao City, Region 11. We also have Concepcion National High School, all the way from Hilongos Leyte, Region 8. Ayan. So hello Sir Raf. Ayan, ang mga estudyante. I hope you're all fine now. We also have Pinagkawitan Integrated National High School all the way from Lipa City, Batangas Region 4A. Hello Ma'am Shing. Good afternoon. Ma'am Jules, take it away. Sino pa po?
Thank you, Jones Rural School, Isabela Region 2.
Yes.
Sino lang nandito? Ayun, Ma'am Gemaline. And marami
Ma'am
sila
Ivy.
dyan. Ayun, si Ma'am Gabehan. And from
Yes.
Aurora Senior High School naman, Isabela Region 2 dyan, si Sir Leo. Thank you, Aurora
Hi, Sir
Senior
Leo.
High School. And Aliba Dabad National High School, Isabela Region 2. Thank you po. Si Ma'am Mamalsi.
Yes.
Si Ma'am Irma Malsi.
Irma Vanessa.
Yes po. And Pola National High School, Valenzuela City. Malinta National High School, Sir John of Valenzuela City.
Sir John, hello.
Sa Padre Garcia National High School, Region 4A. Inasloban Marawoy Integrated National High School. Si Sir Jerwin, bumati po siya kanina. Hello, Sir Jerwin.
Hello, Sir Jerwin. Si Ma'am Ladyline naman sa Padre Garcia. Hello po, Ma'am Ladyline.
And Luis Fe Gomez Diamantine National High School. Hindi ko
Si
na
Ma'am
maalala.
Gigi Isabella.
Si Ma'am Gigi Wasin. Yes,
Opo.
Ma'am Gigi Wasin. And Dinapige National High School. Si Ma'am Aurora dito.
Ma'am Aurora, hello po.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Lalawanan National High School, Senior High School. Region 2, si Ma'am
Sige.
Kamayo.
Yes, ang galing. Ang kabayo.
Tumawini, Stand-Alone Senior High School. Sino din na dito, sir? Si Ma'am
Si
Joanne,
Ma'am
tama?
Joanne Magallones. Nakachat ko lang
Yes.
kanina.
And Pasay
And of
City
course,
High School, si Sir Jude Reliora.
Sir
Bumati rin siya
Jude.
kanina.
hello.
San Isidro Integrated High School, Region 4A. Parang hindi ko
At
na
ang
maalala
mga
sa
constant sharers natin, Tutor Jules, so sinama ko sila as our partners kasi lagi nilang nag-share ng mga tutorials natin for junior high school and senior high school. So we have Lananpi National High School from Urdaneta City, Pangasinan, Region 1. Meron din tayo from Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School, all the way naman from Ragay, Camarines Sur, mga Oragon, mga Bicolano, Region 5.
May ganon.
Yes.
And for the ELS Students of the Week, Quarter 2.
Sige po. Ito po yung certificate no na ginawa ko. So naibigay ko naman na yung mga naging top students po natin no, Tutor Jules. So we just read the content. Certificate of recognition is presented to the name of the student, the name of his or her school plus the region as Earth and Life Science top student during the second quarter of ETUlay online tutorial and senior high school Earth and Life Science for the school year 2021-2022 conducted by the ICTS Educational Technology Unit given today, February 7, 2022 in DepEd Central Office, Meralco Avenue, Pasig City, Philippines. Signed, Mark Anthony C., Head ICTS Educational Technology Unit, Sir Mark Anthony Hamisal, our ETUlay project lead, and of course, your tutors for this subject, Sir Tony and Ma'am Jules.
Congratulations to Nicole Wayapor of Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, Davao City. Mahusay na. Sir Colleen M. Pabregas of Pinagkawitan Integrated, Lipa City. Mahusay Cassandra D. Katap, Pinagkawitan Integrated High School, Lipa City. Elizabeth A. Frias of Kaibiga High School, Caloocan City. Sir?
We also have Mark Junri Napoles, Concepcion National High School, Leyte. John Michael F. Maranya from Concepcion National High School, Leyte. From Kaibiga High School, Caloocan City, Adrian D. Alvarez. From Alibadabad, ayan, tatang twist na naman ako. Alibadabad National High School, Isabela, hello po sa inyo. So we have Christina Zipagan. Also from Kaibiga High School. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead po.
Lizabel Aitilio, Kaibiga High School. Maria May Arquita of Concepcion National High School, Mahusay na. Girlie C. Casanya of Jones Rural School, Isabela. Gemma Cumulave of Concepcion National High School, Leyte. Romsel Joyce Orgino of Pinagkawitan Integrated High School, Lipa City. Jamie Cabasal of Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, Davao City. Johanna Del Rosario of Jones Rural School, Isabela. Mars Jane M. Collado of Alibadabad National High School, Isabela. Chelsea May M. Lugiras, Aurora Senior High School, Isabela. Christine May Bautista of Balinta National High School, Valenzuela City. And Micaela Plo Peño of Malinta National High School, Senior High School. Jenny May Alinghawa, Malinta National High School. Hershey's F. Laksa, Malinta National High School. Rochelle May C. Lazaro, Malinta National High School. Wow! Sa kanila na lahat po. Claire N. L. Herbores of Concepcion National High School, Leyte. Princess
We also
Colleen.
have Princess Colleen V. Cajes from the same school, Malinta National High School, Senior High School.
Gagaling nila, dami
Marami-rami
nila.
pa to ah. Adonis R. Bago, Malinta National High School, Senior High School. Laika M. Palisok, the same school, Malinta National High School. Mark Anthony D.C. Pasco, Malinta National High School,
Ang gagaling
Senior
ng mga
High School.
estudyante ni Sir John.
Yes. Kyla M. Lacson, Malinta National High School, Senior High School.
Ready sa quiz bee.
And of course, isa sa mga talaga namang from day one din, no, Tutor Jules. Siya kasi ibang subject, no, kasama rin namin siya. John Wayne G. Prieto from Jones Rural School, Isabela. And grabe, ito talaga mula day one. Sana nanonood siya ngayon. Samantha Nicole G. Padayaw of Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, Davao City. Maraming salamat. I hope nakatulong kaming mga tutors sa pag-aaral ninyo, mga learners, no? During the pandemic. And ito yung mga last week lang natin, yung last batch ng ating mga top students. So we have Marian G. Oranio from Cayviga High School, Caloocan City. Mary Grace D. Bejo, Cayviga High School, Caloocan. Hazel Andy Arroyo, magkakaklase sila, Cayviga High School, Caloocan City. We also have Warren Y. Salunga, Malinta National High School, Senior High School.
Malinta ulit.
And Maria Claudette S. Barongan from Malinta National High School, Senior High School. This time naman, Tutor Jules. So for those who just tuned in, no, so we are now recognizing our partner schools, our partner teachers, at ating mga learners. With the team learning and championing together, no. Sana may background music tayo, no, para medyo mas ma-feel nila yung recognition. But anyways, yung mga next batch na babasahin namin mga ka-ELS, dear learners, sila naman yung mga sumagot or mana-feature natin sa hashtag Mahusay Answers of the Week. So yung mga naulit na nakasama na kanina na mention na namin sa top students. So we will not be mentioning your names anymore. Pero ipopost namin lahat ng mga soft copy nito sa ating Facebook page. Alright? So don't you worry. Alright, so let's begin with Frances Carol C. Bayan from Jones Rural School, Isabela. We also have J.L. Lasam from Tumawini Standalone Senior High School, Isabela. Jana Mariah Ferrer, Tumawini Standalone Senior High School, Isabela. At syempre, hindi mawawala, Tutor Jules, di ba? Ilang beses talaga itong nagpursige na i-feature natin sa Mahusay Answer of the Week. And we appreciate your effort, anak, Dayan Joy D. Madayag from Tumawini Standalone Senior High School, Isabela.
Thank you, Dayan.
We also have J.R.L. Sagon from Jones Rural School, Isabela.
Says Annie Karagyan of Aurora Senior High School. Consistent ang batang ito. How many times din?
Yes, oo. Hi, Says Ann. Maraming salamat din sa'yo.
Mac Grady Amir Andres of Cayviga High School. Thank you, Amir. Ryan R. Berkilia of Pasay City East High School. Rosalie Pineda of Aurora Senior High School. Nakadalawa yata si Rosalie. Raven R. Perez of Pinagkawitan Integrated High School. 2 beses din, sir. Mary Grace P. Pangilinan. Ayan, consistent din si Mary Grace of Aurora Senior High School, Isabela. Principal John T. Donato of Dinapiga National High School. And Fleve J. G. Domingo of Dinapiga National High School. Unica Naomi L. Caperal of Las Piñas City National Senior High School, Doña Josepa Campus.
All right. So I think they are now ready. Ito na, ilabas na ang ano ba dapat ilabas? Kung may additional device, okay. Pero kung the same device, okay lang din, no? So just make sure na tune in pa rin kayo sa ating live stream. So right now we have 270 plus. Ayan, naging 218, nagiging 290 minsan. So maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal sa ating Senior High School Earth and Life Science na tutorial. So we will just wait, no, na i-ready ni Tutor Jules ang ating quizzes. So punta na sa joinmyquiz.com or sa quizzes.com mga ka-ELS. Come on.
Okay, the game code. Enter the game code 508132. Game code 508132. We are waiting. The game code is 508132. By the way, meron na ang Pinagkawitan Integrated High School. Nandiyan na sila. The top 3 student will receive, meron tayong pa-cash prize, sir, from our sponsor, no? Kung based from this score, kung meron tayong first, second, and third, kapag first, that is 300 pesos. For the second, 200 pesos. For the third,
grabe.
100 pesos. Just in case tayo sila, pare-pares ang score kasi sa quiz bee na lagi naming sa dati naming quiz bee, nagkakaroon ng clincher. Kaya lang, we will extend another time sa clincher. So, dito na lang tayo sa based from the score. So, based from the score, mga anak, kung pare-parehas, you will receive na lang, let's say, mga highest 5 and same score, tago 100 pesos na lang mga anak.
Alright, hindi na masama, no? Maraming malayong mararating ng 100 pesos worth of
Pero just in case,
GCash.
extreme po at meron talagang rank 1 based from the score, okay, 300 si first, 200 si second, and 100 for the third.
Okay.
And just in case, parehas naman ang score, ayan, they will receive 100 pesos each.
Ayan, so reminder lang, no, Tutor Jules, remind lang natin sila. So this is just, kumbaga, review na at the same time, we want you na enjoyin lang. Kumbaga, refreshing your brain cells at the same time, wag masyado namang ma-stress, magpaka-stress, no? Kung ano yung alam mong natatandaan mong sagot or ano yung natutunan mo from our tutorials and our sessions, so enjoy lang, just enjoy the game. So malay mo, hindi mo alam, no, na you are actually gaining points at the same time, nag-enjoy, and-enjoy mo pa yung kumbaga yung
Yes,
game.
may
Less stress,
pa-certificate
okay?
tayo dito, sir. May pa-certificate tayo.
Oh, yes, a certificate. So may utang pa tayo ng quarter 1. Para-remind na lang
po.
ako, Tutor Jules.
So, 89 na po. Ready na?
89.
Okay,
Okay,
89,
let's start.
1991, nasa 233 tayo. Continuous pa, sir. So, wait lang po. So, those who want to join, mga anak, 508-132. I-type nyo sa Google or sa browser ninyo, type quizzes, and then sa quizzes, enter code, game code. Ang game code ay 508-132.
132.
Ayan, 107 na, sir. Play na tayo. Maghintay pa ako.
Sige, ay, nag-ano pa?
Oo nga eh. 200 yung nandyan, sir.
Baka may gusto ka munang batiin, ma'am, para while waiting for them.
Okay, chance to, bati na ba, sir?
To greet?
Ayun,
Hindi po,
16.
while waiting, ma'am, ako po muna. So, para at least
Sige, ikaw na muna,
ma-maximize po
sir.
natin yung time, no? So, I just
Opo.
like to say thank you, no, I am from SDO Quezon City, our school's division superintendent, Dr. Jeneline Rose B. Corpus, CESO 6. Our EPS for Science, Ma'am Pia, Dr. Maria Pilar O. Kapalongan. Marami pong salamat sa inyong suporta. Of course, our school principal, Novaliches High School, Mrs. Zaida M. Padulio. My friends and my co-teachers, especially sa aming department heads, our focal persons, we have Dr. Joseph L. Adan and Ma'am Elsa B. Pinlac, my family, my friends, my colleagues, and of course, sa aking partner, kay Ma'am Jules, maraming salamat for sa learning experience, no, na bigay na or hatid nitong samahan po natin for this entire semester. And of course, all glory to God, no, sa mga sacrifices natin. Alam nating may magandang maidudulot ito, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga learners. I think we should begin na po. Ilan na po ba, ma'am?
146, sir.
Okay, let's begin na po.
Okay, start. Pero yung mga gustong sumali, go lang mga anak.
Yes, pwede pa rin
Ito po yung
mag-comment sa ating comment section, ha?
Ayan. Yung mga hindi nakasali, dito kayo mga anak. Pwedeng sumagot sa ating chat box.
Alright, question number 1. Dinosaurs are reptiles that existed for a very long time. Which era did these organisms evolve? So 30 seconds to, no, Ma'am Jules?
Yes po.
So we have Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, and Proterozoic era. 2 and 1, time's up.
Okay, base sa lead board. Yan, pinagkawitan. Cassandra.
Right,
Nakikita na natin. The correct
answer is B, Mesozoic era.
Okay,
Ang favorite
next.
nating era. Question number 2, mga ka-ELS. What are the first photosynthetic organisms that grow well on Earth? Sige nga, if you can still recall, is that Bryophyllum, Cyanobacteria, or Stromatolites, or baka Zircon crystal?
Dinig ko yung mga sumasagot.
Process of
click.
elimination, ha, mga ka-ELS. Ayan, thank you sa mga sumasagot, no, sa comment section natin.
Meron din sa comment section natin.
1. The correct answer is...
Okay, base sa lead board.
Lead board pala muna.
Ayan.
With
si
1,960 points, Cassandra.
The correct
Letter B,
answer is...
Cyanobacteria.
Next question.
All right, question number 3. Which among the given examples describes the unifying form and structure? A. Cellular basis of life. B. Light as source of energy. C. Bats have wings specialized for flying. Or D. Living things arise from pre-existing cells. Look for clue words, mga ka-ELS.
184, sir, ang ating contestant or
Contestants,
participant.
grabe. Ang live viewers natin, 200 plus pa rin. Grabe. Salamat po.
Ayun. And the correct answer?
The correct answer is, of course,
Based on the leaderboard muna tayo. Crystal. Kaibiga High School ba to?
Kaibiga High School. Crystal. Correct. Letter
The
C.
correct answer.
Bats
Okay.
have wings, specialized for flying.
Okay, so may chance pa rin yung iba kung hindi pa nakakapasok. The game code
Okay.
is 508132.
132.
May chance pa rin kasi 15 items daw.
Next question. Question number 4. A certain organism was cut and divides into two, leaving one piece headless and the other tailless. After some time, each piece grows the missing body parts. What does it show? Anong klaseng ng asexual reproduction to, mga ka-ELS? Is it binary fission, binary fusion, transverse fission, or transverse fusion? Sige nga. Alright, time's up.
Or the correct answer.
May changes ba sa ating leaderboard?
CHS Patricia.
Patricia. The correct
And
answer
the
is
correct
letter
answer
C, transverse fission. Yan, if you would
Next
recall, no, we
question.
discussed asexual reproduction. Question number 5.
5.
This is a mechanism of asexual reproduction in which female offspring develop from unfertilized eggs. Ayan. So, nakakapag-produce pa rin ng offspring kahit unfertilized yung egg. Is it budding, fragmentation, transverse fission, or parthenogenesis? So, kaya-kayang gawin to ng mga reptiles, ilang species ng reptiles at mga arthropods, and some species of fish. Time's up! Let's see. Alright, nagbabago talaga.
And the correct answer is?
Is letter D, parthenogenesis. For the virgin birth. Question number 6. Genetics naman tayo. A technique used to compare DNA from 2 or more organisms is called blank. Again, a technique used to compare DNA from 2 or more organisms is called blank. Hybridization, gel electrophoresis, gene splicing, or recombinant DNA technology. Ano kaya? Ang tamang sagot? In-discuss yan ni Ma'am Jules, no? Meron pa siyang share sa inyo na experience niya dyan.
200 talaga ang participants natin. Kasali
Grabe.
sila. So, yung iba na 19,
bumubuhos
nandito
ang
sila.
suporta, Ma'am Jules, diba? Kaya nakakatuwa.
Yes po.
Maraming salamat po, dear
Ay,
teachers and dear
leaderboard tayo.
students, mga ka-ETUlay, maraming salamat. The correct answer is letter B, gel electrophoresis. To compare
Okay,
the
next
DNA.
question.
Diba? Ginagamit yan sa taxonomy, sa evolution, yan. Pag-identify ng mga organisms. Alright, number 7 question says, all are ancient practices of genetic engineering except blank. Again, all are ancient practices of genetic engineering except blank. Hybridization, inbreeding, recombinant DNA technology or recombinant technology, or letter D, selective breeding. So ano dyan yung ancient way na means of pag-manipulate ng genes. Alright, time's up. So, ang hindi kasama sa ancient would be
Kian Ramos.
Ian Ramos. Hindi niya nailagay ang school. But the correct answer
Oo
is
nga.
recombinant technology or recombinant DNA technology. Kasi yun ang modern, one of the modern genetic engineering techniques. Next.
Mahirapan tayong maghanap mamaya kung wala yung school, no? Baka maraming mag-claim, maraming
Paramdam na lang
iyan.
sa ating youth, sa comment section. Question number 8, mga ka-ELS. What is the other term for genetically modified organisms? Sige nga, ano yung other name natin for GMOs? A, artificially selected organism. B, cloned organism. C, transgenic organism. Or D, recombinant DNA technology. Siyempre, eliminated na yan, di ba? So, you choose between A, B, or C. Alright, time's up.
Lead board?
Ayan, ang top. Wow.
Siya pa rin.
Ian
Sino sa
Ramos is still on
anong
the
school?
lead. Paramdam ka kung ano school ka na ka. The correct answer is transgenic organism. Letter C. Let's head on to question number 9. Here it goes. Which system delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body? So when we discuss the organ systems of animals and representative organisms, kaninong function ito? Circulatory, integumentary, muscular, or respiratory? Check ko nga sa comment. Ayan.
208 ang
Ian
participant.
Ramos is from Pinagkawitan Integrated National High School. Ayan. So, ayan. Thank you ha, Nak. So, tuloy lang. Malay natin, no? Ikaw ang maging top
Yan.
scorer natin later on. Pero syempre, pwede pa rin bumawi ang ating mga ka-ELS. The correct answer is letter A, circulatory system or the cardiovascular system, composed of the heart, blood vessels, and the blood. Question number 10.
Oh my God. Saglit. Nagkamali ata ako ng click.
What happened po?
Okay.
Alright.
Parang
Relax lang, ma'am.
nag-start.
Relax lang. Ang puso ni Tutor Jules.
Nagkamali ako ng click eh. So, ano na kanina,
Ah.
sir? Number 9?
Number 9? Is it number 9? Pero, do we have the same question ba? Apo, same question po ito eh.
Oo nga eh. Sumasagot ba sila? Hindi. So,
Hindi po visible sa end ko, ma'am. Pa-end? Pwede po bang i-end yan?
wait lang ha. Wait lang. Anong susunod dito?
Ayan po. Tapos na po yung 9, ma'am. The correct answer is
Oo
A.
nga po. Sabi ko nga po, nagkamali ako ng click. Dapat dun sa baba. Dapat sa next. Ang naklik ko po ay restart. So,
Apo. Hindi naman po siya end question.
So, sinasagutan nila. And question, some participants are yet to answer this question. Do you want
Apo,
to
done na po kasi
proceed?
siguro nun, no?
Yes. Okay. So, dito tayo sa next question. Yan. Sorry po.
Nagulat din ako sa
Sabi ko,
reaction.
ayan.
So we have Tian Ramos and Cassandra on the lead. Number 10, about hormones naman, mga ka-ELS. Hormones increase the heart rate of an animal in danger. Ayan, parang kanina,
Number
no?
10 na tayo, mga anak.
Which systems are involved? A, skeletal and circulatory. B, immune and endocrine. Letter C, circulatory and endocrine. So isip-isip ha. Or letter D, endocrine and respiratory.
Ayan, ang bibilis. Dami.
So anong body systems ang nagtatandem, no? Nagba-body-body for that particular physiological action na ating katawan when we are in danger. The correct answer is, of course, circulatory and the endocrine system. All right. Last 5 questions, mga ka-ELS. Let's move on with question number 11. Which body systems must directly interact for a vertebrate organism to exchange gases? Again, ano daw yung mga body systems na nag-interact directly sa vertebrate organism to exchange gases, mga important gases natin? Circulatory and respiratory, endocrine and respiratory, immune and endocrine, or skeletal and circulatory. 5 seconds. All right. Ayan. So, pwedeng sumagot ha sa ating comment section sa mga hindi nakapasok. Ayan, yung mga sumasagot. Grabe naman.
Ayan, CHS. And the correct answer is
Letter
letter
A. Circulatory and respiratory system.
Wala yatang tama dito sa comment box. Next, number 11 tayo, mga anak. Okay, letter C sa comment.
How about
Next
this?
question.
Which of the following happens when a small population of organisms separates from the larger group to invade a new area? Sige nga po. Anong mechanism of evolution? So is it bottleneck effect, founder effect, gene flow, or genetic drift? Is it? Is it? All right. Time's up. Leaderboard, let's check it. Okay, Cassandra, on top naman right now. Pinagkawitan Integrated
The correct
National High
answer
School. The correct
is,
answer is founder effect.
it's letter B. Letter B rin ba sa comment? Letter A sila. It's letter B, mga
Right,
anak.
let's have the last questions na po.
Oh,
Who
last
proposed the
three.
theory of use and disuse? Sinong scientist yan? Is it Alfred Russel Wallace? Si Carlos Linnaeus? O si
Charles
kumparing
Darwin.
Charles Darwin ba yan? Or ang kanyang colleague na si
Jean-Baptiste de
Jean-Baptiste
Lamarck.
de Lamarck? 5 seconds. Alright, time's up. Tingnan nga natin kung marami nakatama. Alright. On the lead is Cassandra pa rin, followed by Micaela and Patricia. It was Jean-Baptiste de Lamarck.
Yes, tama sila, sir.
Remains,
72%.
Okay, 40, nag-Charles Darwin, oh. So si Charles Darwin ay natural selection. Last two questions. Lineages that evolved early from the root and remain unbranched. So when we discuss the phylogenetic tree, mga ka-ELS, lineages that evolved early from the root and remain unbranched. So wala nang species or other species na nag-diversify. Basal taxon, branch point, root, or sister taxa.
14.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sige nga mga ka-ELS. Ang ating phylogenetic tree. Leaderboard natin. Ako,
MNHS.
Micaela
Sana nga
Plateño.
MNH.
Sa Malinta, ma'am. Sa Malinta.
Ah,
Si
Malinta.
Micaela.
Okay, Malinta. Okay, so 92, sir. Ang letter
Alright.
A.
Letter A.
How about sa live dito? Letter D sila. Next question.
Last question na po mga ka-ELS. What do you call the point of two lineages that stem from the same branch? Again, what do you call the point of two lineages that stem from the same branch? Basal taxon, branch point, root, or the sister taxa? Ayan, 190 plus viewers right now sa ating live. So siguro babalik yung iba later on sa announcement.
216 po dito, sir. Saan?
200. Sa akin, 100 lang.
Participants, sir.
Nasa participants, alright. So baka babalik sila later on.
Oo. Nasa, sila
Ayan. So this is not yet final, no, Tutor Jules? Yung nakita nila sa
Yes
last.
po. So,
titingnan lang ng Tutor Jules later on.
So, sister taxa, 87.
The correct answer is letter D, your sister.
Yes, very good.
Not
si
your
Marie
brother, but your
Chris,
sister.
Obita, Lindsay, ayan, si Janela. Okay, so next question
Okay.
tayo. And then, do you want to end the quiz?
End the quiz.
Yes. Tignan na natin yung results, sir.
Final na po ba yan, ma'am?
Tignan po natin yung record.
Okay po.
Tignan
Ayan,
po
so
natin yung
nakaka-excite
record. Oo nga. Sila na kaya? Reports. Reports based sa ating ELS Quiz B.
Ako kinakabahan ng mga teachers.
Oo nga. Based on score. Okay, base natin sa score. Again, base sa score. Bakit ayaw gumana? Sort natin based sa score. Baliguin natin based on accuracy muna. Wait lang, parang nagdalag yata ako
Sige ma'am, finalize na lang po natin. And then after nito, we are ready to recognize our
Ayun.
partner teachers.
Score ulit. Tama ba yung scoreboard? Accuracy. Nagbago naman pag accuracy. Ayan, 12, 12, 12. Yes. 12, Micaela. 12, Charlene. 12, Kaylay. 12, 11, Faith, CHS Patricia 11, MNH 11, K Ocampo 11, and then 11 Espayo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 8 na lang na bigyan natin sila ng tagwa 100 pesos, sir. Hanggang 11.
Wow.
Bakit nasan si Nasan si Katap? Si Cassandra. Ayun, 10 lang siya, sir eh. Ang alam ko si
Okay
Cassandra,
lang
how
po,
many
okay lang po.
times? Okay. Kasi iniisip ko, sir, baka mali itong itong ano ko.
Opo.
Again,
Pas,
based sa accuracy.
may copy ka
Again,
naman po yan, ma'am, no? So
opo,
balik po tayo dun sa ating slide po.
Okay,
Or
pag-score kasi, hang on sir, pag-score, ayan, kasali yung speed. So, kailangan nating i-base sa accuracy, the correct answer. Hanggang dito lang po tayo sa 11, kay, malinto to, MNHS Espayos. Okay na to?
Alright.
Okay na po, sir?
sige
So,
po.
go back po tayo dito.
Alright, so we are now ready to recognize. Kumbaga, wala tong mga magagaling at mahuhusay na estudyante. Siyempre, kung wala ang kanilang mga hashtag na mahusay, teachers na naging partner po namin for the rest of the second quarter. And we are now ready to say thank you and congratulations sa ating mga partner teachers. It's beginning with, yan po, so you'll be receiving the same certificate po no, as our Earth and Life Science partner teacher for the second quarter.
Congratulations! Ang rank 1 natin, sir, karamihan from Malinta National High School under Sir Ernesto Enguero. Congratulations, sir!
Alright, next po. Ma'am Joanne Magallones from Tumawini Standalone Senior High School, Isabela. Thank you, Ma'am Joanne. We also have Sir Jerwin A. Gutierrez from Inosloban, Marawoy Integrated National High School, Lipa City. Ma'am Ladyline A. Ducay, Padre Garcia National High School, Batangas. Sir Jude Bellora of Pasay City East High School, Pasay City. Ma'am Beverly Joy O. Lorenzo from Horacio de la Costa High School, Caloocan City. Ma'am Aurora A. Verhan Berganio, Dinapigue National High School, Isabela. Ma'am Maluvi Bataan from Polo National High School, Valenzuela City. Sir Leo P. Angel or Angel Aurora Senior High School, Isabela, na makakasama niyo yan sa second sem sa isang subject natin, mga ka-ELS. You also have Ma'am Irma Vanessa Emanuel from Alibadabad National High School, Isabela.
Perfect na, sir.
GGT Wasin Luis Fe Gomez Diamantina National High School, Isabela.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maraming salamat po. Ma'am Mary Jane A. Camayo from Lalawana National High School, Senior High School, Isabela. Ma'am Gemaline C. Fronda, Jones Rural School, Isabela. Ma'am Sherilyn J. Lat, Pinagkawitan Integrated National High School, Lipa City.
Laging may reaction si Ma'am Lat sa ating Facebook page.
Sir Rafael Enradores, Concepcion National High School, Hilongos, Leyte. Ma'am Ivy Pfizer C. Gabehan, Jones Rural School, Isabela. And of course, ang ating kapwa tutor dito sa ETUlay, Tutor Jen, Ma'am Genevieve M. Pepito from Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, Davao City. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, mga fellow teachers, for helping us reach more learners itong quarter na ito. Marami pong salamat. Alright? So, ipopost na lang po natin ng winners, Ma'am Jules, no, later on. Si Ma'am Jules
Yes,
nang bahala. So, ngayon pa lang, congratulations na sa inyo. And of course, for the very last time, Ma'am Jules, sa ating hashtag Be Inspired and hashtag Be Blessed, sharing all of you this quotation, no, may the blessings of this day, no, this day and every day radiate through your smile, be helpful through your hands, and shine through your heart, mga ka-ELS. And promote lang natin for second semester, ito naman ang mga makakasama ninyo mga tutors. Together with our new subject offerings, we have physical science, we have empowerment technologies, and for STEM students, we have disaster readiness and risk reduction. And of course, we have general biology too. So antabayanan nyo ang ating hashtag Team Mahusay, mga bagong batch ng ating mga senior high school science and technology tutors. And please like, subscribe, and share na mga ka-ETUlay, no? So starting the quarter 3 or second sem, no, dito na po tayo mag-broadcast sa Facebook page, official Facebook page ng DepEd ETUlay. Type nyo lang DepEd ETUlay tapos click nyo kapag nakalagay education website. Or sa YouTube, the same din, DepEd ETUlay. Alright? So kita-kits tayo sa mga na yan.
Hello?
Alright po. Next na, ma'am.
Well, ayan.
Ayan. And your feedback matter to us. Please scan the QR code or proceed to tinyurl.com/ETUlay feedback form. You can send us your messages sa link na yan. And for the very last time, Ma'am Jules, ikaw naman magpasalamat. Nakapag-thank you
Oo
lang kami.
nga. Thank you po sa aming schools division superintendent Dr. Nerissa Losaria Seso 6. Mahal na mahal kong superintendent to. Hindi ko makakalimutan si Ma'am sa programa niya na Open Ranking. Isa po ako sa recipient. Thank you very much, Ma'am. At may paano pa si Ma'am, may division memo para i-congratulate ang mga tutors ng Caloocan City. Maraming salamat po, ma'am, sa suporta. Ganun din po kay Dr. Perlita Datu, our Public Schools Division Supervisor, Dr. Emeterio Carubo sa Science, Dr. Joban Cornelia of Senior High School Division Coordinator. At salamat din sa aming principal na si Ma'am Angel De Chavez. May rin si ma'am, may appreciation post din si ma'am sa aming Facebook page. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. At ganun din po sa support ng aking department head, nung nag-share ng ating link, si Ma'am Chedita R. Pericon. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat, mga kaibigan. And sa mga kasamahan po natin dito ngayon, mga ma'am and sir, mga ka-ELS, thank you so much
maraming salamat sa inyo. Grabe, no? Alright, so parang ang bilis ng panahon, no? Maraming salamat sa pagsama ninyo sa amin for the past weeks, for the past months. Tutor Jules, maraming salamat sa ating pinagsamahan for this. And of course, our partner schools, teachers, and our dear learners. So we are doing this all because of you. So maraming salamat. Up next na po ang Media and Information Literacy at General Biology 1. And for the last time, let me say this one. This has been Tutor Tony of Novaliches High School, SDO, Quezon City.
Julie Olerma from Caybiga High School.
Ayan, saying goodbye and God bless. Kita-kits.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Salamat po mga ka-ELS. Thank you so much
Tutor
po.
Tony. Ang dami pa rin nila. Nandyan pa rin sila, sir.
Oo, nandyan pa rin. Maraming salamat po.
Wala na. Last day na to. Last episode. Bye-bye, ELS. Ayun, naka-live pa rin.
We're still live. Wait lang po
Yes,
natin si Ma'am Joy.
Pero marami pa rin, nandyan pa rin sila,
Ayan,
sir.
maraming salamat
Sige na
sa
nga,
mga
batiin na nga natin sila.
Thank you.
Batiin na natin. Sige. Comment na lang. Thank you, Marian. Thank you, Sir Raf Radores. Maraming salamat po. Till next school year po. Elizabeth Gonzaga. Ayan. Mention na natin sila, sir, kasi may ano pa?
Hindi pa po na-end.
Oo nga. Si Ma'am Magalyones, hello. Hello, salamat po, Ma'am Joanne Magalyones. Christina Sipagan Corpus. Who else? Carl J. Biernes. Yan, mga kaibigan. And Leihana Zayreen.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag ETUlay Level Up. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!